Hi there, Dave here. So what is the best upgrade you can give your computer? The answer is a solid state drive. Using one of these in many cases will double the speed of your desktop or laptop computer. Using one of these will increase your computer's startup time, its shutdown time, its loading time for apps and programs, and will make your computer generally much more responsive. Many computers still use hard disk drives like this one, or perhaps like this, instead of a solid state drive. But they all do the same thing. They all hold data such as Windows, programs and personal files. But using a solid state drive is much faster, and they're quieter and run cooler too. The reason why solid state drives will increase your computer speed so much is because they have faster transfer rates, much faster than normal hard disk drives. So if you do want to upgrade from a hard disk drive to a solid state drive, this can be made very easy by using a solid state drive upgrade kit. These kits will allow you to transfer an exact copy of your computer's hard disk drive onto your new solid state drive. Then all you have to do is to swap your original hard disk drive for your new solid state drive, and your computer will be up and running just as it was before, but this time it will be much faster. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.